about being here is just, you really get to appreciate everything. Have a nice coffee and you can just hear the river. Our products that we're creating right here, which I'm so hands-on and I'm so excited to be a part of another woman-owned business that we are working together to create all organic, all vegan, sulfate-free, no plastic packaging, environmentally friendly and beautiful to use on anyone and all skin types.
Hey Danielle.
Hi Sandy, good morning.
Good morning.
We're so excited to be here. We had so much fun last night. It's so beautiful here. The cabin is gorgeous.
Did you guys have a campfire or just hang out inside?
We did. We had a campfire. We got some materials ready for today. We have everything lined up. We're so excited. Are you ready for us?
Yes.
Just got to the factory where Danielli Laurette is coming to life. It's my first time being here and we're placing our first order, and I want to show you how each small batch is being made by hand, crafted for you to bring home right here, right now. Let's go see. So after we pour our liquid shampoos into our customized molds that have our initials for Danielli Laurette on the bottom, we then wait for them to dry. So once the molds are dry, we are then going to take it out, and you're just going to pop it out a little bit like this. So once we take them off the drying racks, each individual shampoo bar is labeled so we know which one is which. We are doing the rosemary shampoo bar, and we're going to put it in our plastic-free soap trays. We're going to go to our packaging department to show you how we do the packaging. We just finished the process on giving you all the tour of this amazing product, Danielli Laurette, coming to life, to show you that these little things really matter and each individual person is here with care making your order. Continue watching our growing journey of these authentic, beautiful, organic product line, and we're happy to bring this to life for you.